Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to recover deleted photos from WhatsApp. So the first one you can try is you can go to your file manager and then go to internal storage and then go to Android, go to media and then select com.whatsapp, and in here go to WhatsApp and then select media, and here you will find the WhatsApp start users, and here you will find all the media that have been sent to you. So, and after that, uh if you don't find it, you can also use Google Photos Backup to back up your photos or deleted photos of your WhatsApp. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.